Hey y'all, we're playing this new game and I got the lightning respin. The bonus starts so fast, but oh, go! Come on, drop. Not a bonus, so yeah. Plays just like Zeus. Obviously it's Medusa. Come on. Drop, yes. Oh my gosh. It's a lot of good stuff here. Come on. Yeah. Okay, what we got? $32. All right, girl. Let's see. Yeah, it's I was trying to wait for the name to come up, but like I said, obviously it's Medusa. Medusa version. Let's see if she comes up again. Hey. Oh no. Thank you so much though.
Yeah. There you go.
Thank you.
Oh. Oh, we got 5 cents. Ooh, a little 5 cents. Okay, so yeah, we gotta go down. There's like 3 different options: the regular, more, and better, and then more. You get the power up option here. So we're gonna go there. Let's try 150. Ooh, that's the bonus symbol. We need 3 of those. I'm just a snake. Wait, what it says? I'm a snake. I was thinking of 2 different things. Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. Oh, I want to get that bonus. Oh man, let's see what 75 cents. Oh, we were so close. Gah. Don't be messing with me like that. She's so scary. Come on. All right, I'm going back up. I'm going back up to power. Power up. Oh. Oh, 2. Okay, if we get a bonus, we'll be back. Bye.